Good morning, traders. We found the new bull. We got these Chinese stocks, the YINN. That one had gapped up. Boy, oh boy, they came back on fire. The Chinese provided stimulus. It's a new bull run, and they're beating down stocks. This is day two of the big gap. We are buying every pullback that we can get our hands on. And we will start over here with the call contracts on YINN. Now, buy now, pay later. These stocks are the next bull. They're looking for the next bull. This is the next bull. How to come back, test the gap, how to get the entry, and we know exactly how many shares are sold short. We know they've been left for dead for several years, but we're always looking for the bright spot. YINN had an $8 pop. There is the resistance as we see it. That is the short-term pullback to support. Here is resistance. It's right here. And here is support. Chinese have come back. They've come back in a big way. And it's time to get invested. It's time to inquire about buy now, pay later. You buy now and you pay when they make the profit. You get a wire or a check, and then you pay the profit, your part of the agreement, and you're good to go, and you're making money, and you don't have to have a stock account. What's wrong? Wake up. This is the next bull run. Chinese have come back. Let it be known. And we're going to make $100,000.